Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to add personal recommendation and bundle offer section in your Shopify online store. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you want to customize, design or development your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you, especially if you have just started your online business with Shopify and you have very limited budget, you have no budget or no more budget to design professional Shopify online store, but you want to do this with free theme and want to make it looks like a premium high converting and high booster or sales booster theme or store, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here I'm going to share step by step guideline with ready code snippets. So let's get started. Okay, in this video you can see that I'm actually making a premium Shopify store for a specific niche, that is sport equipment store. So here I am making this store using one of the most popular and default Shopify free theme that's called Horizon, and I have already published a lots of video only Horizon base. So if you have started your store design with Horizon theme, then you can check out my YouTube channel. Just go to my YouTube channel, then search in here Horizon. Simply you see here is the Horizon, and I'm going to search. Then you will find a lots of video relevant Horizon. Even you will find the playlist. So I hope you understand how beneficial or how helpful my YouTube channel for your store design journey. Okay, so let's see. By default, if you start making your Shopify online store with the Horizon theme or any free theme, then your most important page is home page and product page. So I'm going to open this product. We're actually focused on the product page right now, and you see we have already tried to make it high converting, sales booster and professional using free element and adding the P chart by custom code that I make with my coding experience skill, and also I must use AI. So I have already added many required or must compulsory element in here, like in stock indicator, promo section, frequently asked question, recommended product. You see here is the recommended product. Also we have added exist via intern section. So let's see how we can add this premium Shopify product recommendation and bundle feature. Okay, to do this, first of all we have to go to our Shopify admin panel, then click on online store, then click on this three dot icon, edit code. In here you have to open, let me show you in details, open section folder, and simply you have to paste this to file. This is ready to file for you. So I'm going to reflect. Okay, so we have added to file in here. Now let's see what is the actual output. So let's go back my Shopify customer section. So here is the admin panel, again online store, and then click on the customize and go to the product page. Okay, perfect. And now you see I have already added a lots of required element that actually boost your product page, increase the sales and make it professional and high converting, but still now I am improving it. For example, I have added sticky add to cart button, user exist intent, you see. Okay, And now we are going to test our new section. So add section. You see here is the option recommended for you, so click on it. Here is the product recommended for you, looks good. And here is the option, you see, layout and slider, show vendor. If I click on the show vendor, then it show vendor, show rating if available, enable quick add to cart, yes. If I click, we'll check it. And also the section background option, padding top, padding bottom, so keep it as it, we'll check it. Then we are going to add another section, bought together bundle. So you see here is the option frequently bought together, add bundle, select a product in here, very relevant product we must have to add. So I'm going to select this one, looks good. Also another one, select this one, perfect. Now click on the save. Go back our product page to test or check the result. So open a product, for example open this one and hide var, okay, perfect. Scroll down, you see already there is a sticky add to cart button and we have added recommended product, yes, perfect. And then frequently bought together, you see here is the updated price, you see. So now test if it work or not, or does it work or not. So click on it, for example click on it, okay, add it. Then scroll down, add bundle to the cart, yes, you see all the product has been added in here. So I hope you understand how it's work and the full picture, and it's fully customizable from the admin panel. So if you want to make your product page more conversational to increase sales, then you must have to use this P chart. And here I have shared everything how you can draw this. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.